Creating a safe and healthy environment for infants is a top priority for parents and caregivers. The Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor for Nurseries is a thoughtful innovation, designed to ensure that the air in a baby's room is clean and free from harmful pollutants. This smart device is not just a monitor, it's a guardian of your little one's well-being. The monitor is equipped with high-sensitivity sensors that detect a variety of pollutants, including particulate matter, volatile organic compounds, VOx, and carbon dioxide, CO2, levels. When it identifies high pollutant levels, it sends immediate alerts to your smartphone, giving you the opportunity to take action and improve the air quality in your baby's nursery. Customizable alerts are a key feature of the Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor. Parents can set their preferred thresholds for pollutant levels, ensuring that they receive notifications that are tailored to their specific concerns and preferences. This level of personalization allows for a proactive approach to managing the air quality in the nursery. For those restless nights, the monitor includes a nighttime quiet mode. This feature ensures that the device operates silently, so it doesn't disturb your baby's sleep. You can rest easy knowing that the air quality is being monitored without any noise to disrupt the peaceful nursery environment. The Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor for Nurseries is more than just a tool, it's a way to give parents peace of mind. By keeping a constant check on the air quality, it helps create a healthier and safer space for babies to grow and thrive. To learn more about how this innovative air quality monitor can benefit your nursery, please feel free to reach out to me. You can find my contact information on my page, and I'll be sure to respond to your inquiry within 24 hours. Let's ensure the purest air for our little ones with the Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor for Nurseries.